Stand up. You gotta stand up. Stand up and walk. Oh, you silly girl. You found your puzzle? Ava, stand up and walk. There you go. Look at you, big girl. Yay! There you go. Such a big girl. That's okay. Mommy just knocked something over. You're a big girl. Look at you. Hi, Ava. Hi. You wave hi? Ava. What you doing? Ava. You gonna peekaboo? Where's Ava? Where's Ava? Peekaboo! Oh, where's Ava? Where is she? Peekaboo! Where's Ava? Peekaboo! Oh, you okay? You're okay. Good job. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Wait. I can't film me when you jump on me. Say bye-bye.
You tried to steal the crystal heart. Why?
You got mommy's foot?
Freeze time.
You headbutting me?
Forced to defeat Minus.
You headbutting mommy?
Not help.
Hi.
Only I have the power to use it. Then come with us.
Okay, bye-bye, Ava.
The crystal is the only thing that protects.
Please, Princess.
Bye-bye.
Perhaps I could give it to you.
Not without my blessing.
Bye-bye.
You're smothering me again.
Oh, you found sugar. There's sugar.
The crystal you stole was a decoy. Crystal.
Careful. Be nice to sugar.
And you may carry it before you. Take that one.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
No. I saw it in my dream. And usually if you snooze, you lose. It's Max.
Bye-bye, Ava.
But be warned, Max. If anything happens to my crystal heart, my entire kingdom will be destroyed.
Do you, Max, take this crystal heart to have and to hold in sickness and in health till death do you part?
I do.
Do you trust him with your heart?
I do.